Today I will be making rolled cabbage from the game Ys Vlll, Lacrimosa of Dana, and this recipe will be an original one from me, meaning I will make it on the go, just like the Rosemary lemon pasta from the VR game Senate, that if you haven't watched it, you can just watch it in the description right after this. Okay, start by turning off your stove set to high, and we're gonna add 5 tablespoons of butter. Just throw them in the pot and let it melt. We are also gonna add 1/4 of a diced onion into the pot and turn the heat to medium. We're gonna let the onions cook until they have changed color. While the onion is cooking, we're gonna dice again 1/3 of an onion, and we're gonna save it for the meat. So just put it in one container and set it aside somewhere. Moving on to the sauce, we're gonna add 1.5 diced tomatoes. The dice do not need to be really small, so you can do big chunks. Add whatever amount your abuelita tells you to put of salt and pepper, and then proceed to add 2 garlic cloves. I didn't have garlic cloves, I had dried garlic, but that will do. Add 1 can of tomato sauce and 1/3 of cooking wine, mix it with the tomato sauce. Turn your heat to high and add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If your sauce is too thick, you can add 1/2 cup of water or milk. Then let it cook until it boils. We're gonna move now to the meat. We're gonna add 2 eggs to our bowl, and we're gonna add 2 pounds of ground beef, and then we're also gonna cut a small bunch of cilantro and we're gonna add it. Mix it with your hand like the caveman you are, and proceed to add 2 tablespoons of honey as if we're following the recipe from the game. Realize that you had a small container, so switch it to a bigger one and keep mixing the meat. Check back on your sauce, turn off the heat, and preheat your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go back to the ground beef, and we're gonna add 1 cup of cooked rice, and we're gonna start mixing it. And now you're using a spoon because it's hot, right? Yeah, you're a caveman, but you're not stupid. Okay, now let's move on to the cabbage part. We're gonna start peeling off the cabbage. Just peel off the first 2 layers of it because we're not gonna use it, and we are gonna use the other ones. And can you make this a little faster? All right, thank you. Okay, we're gonna wash them really good. Now that they're washed, we're gonna add a bunch of meat. Take into account that it was already like 9 p.m. on a Sunday, so I had to prepare to go to work for the next day, so I made them big round Mexican size, so you can do them regular person size. But yet everything was calculated so that the 2 pounds of meat would fit in this glass container. Now that all of them are ready, you can put your sauce. You can just put a part of them to let them cook, and then put the rest of the sauce when they're finished cooking. And we're gonna put them with some aluminum foil, and we're gonna bake them for around 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Now that they're ready, let's check them out. Oh yeah. We're just gonna grab one of the small ones to see how they look. It should have been cooked to perfection. All right, and there you go. And there you have it, guys. Rolled cabbage from the game Ys Vlll, Lacrimosa of Dana. This should give you about 700 HP and regenerate your HP over time. I'm Tbsp Mexican, thanks for watching this video. Keep watching anime and play Ys 8. I'll see you next time. Bye.